हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल एपीआरए नर्सिंग एजुकेशन। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस, वो भी 30 मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस ऑन एबीजी मींस आर्टेरियल ब्लड गैस। लेट्स स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, ड्यूरिंग एबीजी मींस आर्टेरियल ब्लड गैस एनालिसिस blood is collected from options: A. artery, B. vein, C. capillary, D. none of these. Answer: artery. Then question number 2, a persistent rise in PCO2 means partial pressure of carbon dioxide and decrease in pH means potential of hydrogen level in newborn is indicative of. The options are: A. metabolic acidosis, B. respiratory acidosis, C. respiratory alkalosis, D. metabolic alkalosis. Answer: respiratory acidosis. Then question number 3, burn injury diabetic ketoacidosis, its will be lead to. The options are: A. respiratory acidosis, B. respiratory alkalosis, C. metabolic acidosis, D. metabolic alkalosis. Answer: metabolic acidosis. Then question number 4, depression of the respiratory center or severe asthma attack will lead to. The options are: A. respiratory acidosis, B. respiratory alkalosis, C. metabolic acidosis, D. metabolic alkalosis. Answer: respiratory acidosis. Then question number 5, who is patient is at risk for metabolic acidosis? The options are: A. patient with uncontrolled diabetes mellitus, B. patient with emphysema, C. patient with chronic bronchitis, D. elderly patient receiving therapy. Answer: patient with uncontrolled diabetes mellitus. Then question number 6, vomiting, prolonged gastric suctioning, Cushing syndrome, hyperaldosteronism may lead to. The options are: A. respiratory acidosis, B. respiratory alkalosis, C. metabolic acidosis, D. metabolic alkalosis. Answer: metabolic alkalosis. Then question number 7, acid base imbalance that develops in acute renal failure is. The options are: A. metabolic acidosis, B. metabolic alkalosis, C. respiratory acidosis, D. respiratory alkalosis. Answer: metabolic acidosis. Then question number 8, an ABG analysis report shows pH 7.20, PCO2 35 mmHg and HCO3 20 MEq per L. These finds are suggestive of. The options are: A. metabolic acidosis, B. metabolic alkalosis, C. respiratory acidosis, D. respiratory alkalosis. Answer: metabolic acidosis. Then question number 9, pH value below 7 is called as. The options are: A. natural, B. acidic, C. alkaline, D. both A and B. Answer: acidic. Then question number 10. Which of the following condition would a nurse recognize as a contributing to the development of respiratory acidosis? The options are A. Emphysema, B. Hyperventilation, C. Diarrhea, D. Achalasia. Answer: emphysema. Then question number 11. Normal range of PaCO2 means partial pressure of carbon dioxide in a ABG sample. The options are A. 30 to 40 mmHg, B. 40 to 45 mmHg, C. 35 to 40 mmHg, D. 35 to 45 mmHg. Answer: 35 to 45 mmHg. Then question number 12. Excessive elimination of carbon dioxide from the body will leads to. The options are A. Respiratory acidosis, B. Respiratory alkalosis, C. Metabolic acidosis, D. Metabolic alkalosis. Answer: respiratory alkalosis. Then question number 13. In ABG analysis, which parameters are assessed? The options are A. Sodium bicarbonate pH, B. Sodium bicarbonate CO2 oxygen pH, C. Sodium bicarbonate carbon dioxide pH, D. Carbon dioxide oxygen pH. Answer: sodium bicarbonate CO2 oxygen pH. Then question number 14. In metabolic acidosis, there is. The options are A. Decrease in chloride level, B. Excessive loss of potassium, C. Excessive loss of bicarbonate, D. Excessive loss of sodium. Answer: excessive loss of bicarbonate. Then question number 15. In case of respiratory acidosis, there is increased level of. The options are A. CO2, B. HO2, C. O2, D. SCO3. Answer: CO2. Then question number 16. Hypoventilation from pulmonary, cardiac, musculoskeletal or neuromuscular disease can cause. The options are A. Respiratory acidosis, B. Respiratory alkalosis, C. Metabolic acidosis, D. Metabolic alkalosis. Answer: respiratory acidosis. Then question number 17. Starvation, diabetic ketoacidosis, shock and diarrhea may lead to. The options are A. Respiratory acidosis, B. Respiratory alkalosis, C. Metabolic acidosis, D. Metabolic alkalosis. Answer: metabolic acidosis. Then question number 18. ABG analysis report shows that a decreased bicarbonate level and pH value denote. The options are A. Metabolic acidosis, B. Metabolic alkalosis, C. Respiratory acidosis, D. Respiratory alkalosis. Answer: metabolic acidosis. Then question number 19. Which of the following blood gas values the nurse would expect to see in a patient with acute renal failure? The options are A. pH 7 17.49, HCO3 minus 24 and PaCO2 46. B. pH 7.49, HCO3 minus 14 and PaCO2 30. C. pH 7.26, HCO3 minus 24 and PaCO2 46. D. pH 7.26, HCO3 minus 14 and PaCO2 30. Answer: pH 7.26, HCO3 minus 14 and PaCO2 30. Then question number 20. In a ABG report, pH 7.3, PaCO2 70, PaO2 80% and HCO3 minus 24 represents what? The options are A. Respiratory acidosis, B. Respiratory alkalosis, C. Metabolic acidosis, D. Metabolic alkalosis. Answer: respiratory acidosis. Then question number 21. Which of the following statements about acid-base balance is incorrect? The options are A. Hyperventilation causes respiratory alkalosis, B. Overuse of antacid causes metabolic acidosis, C. Hypoventilation causes respiratory acidosis, D. Loss of gastric juice causes metabolic alkalosis. Answer: overuse of antacid causes metabolic acidosis. Then question number 22. What happens in respiratory acidosis? The options are A. Hyperventilation, B. Hypoventilation, C. Increase in PaCO2, D. Both B and C. Answer: both B and C. Then question number 23. Which of the following would cause lactic acidosis? The options are A. Hyperglycemia, B. Hypoglycemia, C. Seizure, D. Ethylene glycol toxicity. Answer: seizure. Then question number 24. What is normal range of PaO2? Means partial pressure of oxygen. The options are A. 35 to 45 mmHg, B. 95 to 100 mmHg, C. 80 to 95 mmHg, D. 50 to 65 mmHg. Answer: 95 to 100 mmHg. Then question number 25. Which of the following is a cause of normal anion gap metabolic acidosis? The options are A. Diarrhea, B. Lactic acidosis, C. Diabetic ketoacidosis, D. Ethylene glycol. Answer: diarrhea. Then question number 26. What is the anion gap based on the following blood results? Na plus 143, Cl minus 111, HCO3 minus 26. The options are A. 6, B. 10, C. 14, D. 18. Answer: 6. 6 कैसे हुआ? I just explain. आयन गैप के फार्मूला Na प्लस माइनस Cl minus plus HCO3 minus equal to Na plus 143 minus Cl minus 111 minus HCO3 minus 26 equal to 6. So answer is 6. Then question number 27. What is the normal range of pH? Means potential of hydrogen. The options are A 7.35 to 7.45, B 7.55 to 7.65, C 7.55 to 7.60, D 7.20 to 7.30. Answer 7.35 to 7.45. Then question number 28. Which of the following causes left shift of the oxygen dissociation curve? The options are A. Increased pH, B. Reduced pH, C. Hypothermia, D. Increased 2,3 dpg. Answer increased pH. Then question number 29. What is the normal range of HCO3 means bicarbonate? The options are A 20 to 21 MEq per L, B 17 to 20 MEq per L, C 22 to 26 MEq per L, D 28 to 30 MEq per L. Answer 22 to 26 MEq per L. Then this is the last question. Question number 30. Which of the following would result in respiratory acidosis? The options are A. Hyperventilation, B. Hypoventilation, C. Hypoxia, D. Hypocapnia. Answer hypoventilation. So this is MCQ on arterial blood gas. I suggest you please आप लोग मेरा वीडियो फर्स्ट से लास्ट तक देखिए. I think this question very helpful for a nursing entrance exam. I hope you understood this video. Any doubt, please comment me on comment box. Then I will clear all doubt. आप चाहे तो मेरा टेलीग्राम चैनल ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं. लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन पे मिल जाएगा. If you understood this video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.